In today's video, I am going to teach you how to deactivate Hootsuite account. If you have decided that you no longer need Hootsuite, deactivating your account is usually the right place to start. You just want to make sure you follow the exact menu path in the dashboard so the option appears correctly. First, you will click your profile image icon in the bottom left corner of your Hootsuite dashboard. This icon is typically your account menu, and it is where Hootsuite places important settings related to your plan and billing. Take a moment to find the bottom left area of the screen. Then look for the small circular profile image or avatar icon. Click it once and you should see a slide-out menu appear. This menu will be the starting point for reaching the account deletion options. Next, once the slide-out menu is open, click Plan and Billing from that menu. This is the section where Hootsuite organizes subscription and account-related controls. After you select Plan and Billing, the screen should update to show options tied to your current plan. This step matters because the deletion tools are not usually located in general settings. They are placed inside billing and plan controls. Now that you are in the plan and billing area, you will expand the Delete My Account section. Look for a section header that says Delete My Account, and then expand it so you can see the related options underneath. You may need to click the section title or the expand arrow next to it. Expanding the section helps reveal the final control that allows you to proceed with deleting your account. At this point, it is a good idea to read carefully because deletion actions are typically irreversible. After you have expanded the Delete My Account section and you can clearly see the available option, click Delete Account. This is the final action in the sequence. Clicking it should start the account deletion process or open a confirmation step depending on how your dashboard is configured. If the interface asks for confirmation, make sure you review the message shown on screen and proceed only if you are sure you want to continue. The reason for this pause is simple. Account deletion is meant to permanently end access to the account and its associated services. Once you complete the Delete Account step, take a moment to confirm that the process has started or that your account status is changing. Sometimes the dashboard may show a brief message indicating that your request has been submitted or that your account has been set to delete. If there is any follow-up text on screen, read it so you understand what happens next and whether there is any additional action required from you. Finally, you can safely close the menus and continue using the device for other tasks. You do not need to repeat these steps. If you followed the menu path correctly, you will have reached the right area and initiated the deletion process as intended. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.